Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So this was a bad, ugly day, guys. It was a nice day at the beginning, then it all of a sudden turned fugazi. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see exactly what happened and why the day turned out the way it did. So as we know, guys, the feds, the controllers of the market, that dictates whatever direction it go. 90% of the time, 99% of the time, the 1% of the time when they is wrong is whenever the market has been overbought or oversold to a crazy extent like the market is now. Sometimes crazy things could happen, as far as crazy reports could come out showing that, the economy is bad and the market just goes up, or some good news will come out about how the economy is doing a slight bit better and the market will come down tumbling. So the opposite could actually happen, and we know this, guys, and that comes to play whenever the market is either overbought or drastically oversold. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see what's going on. We know the Feds is coming out and raising rates on tomorrow. November the 1st and November the 2nd was the Feds meeting for this month. They will have another one December the 13th and December the 14th. They expect to raise rates by 3/4 of a percentage point, guys. So if they do that, raise rates by what to be expected, and also on top of that, they signaling a slowdown to raise rates in December. And if they be a less aggressive with raising rates in December, that could signal a bullish market for the stock market. Like I told you guys, let's go back a few steps. I told you the Feds like to have control. Even whenever they start to lose control, they so manipulative and powerful, they even know sometimes the mechanisms of the stock market can kind of be uncontrolled and do, they can't contain it sometimes. So much buying pressure come in that it just lose control and they have to do what they do. And the way they tame that is whenever they halt it, whenever they do little sneak tips, basically as a halt, and slow down the market to get it back under control. So like I told you guys, let's put that back in perspective. That's why tomorrow, if they raise rates by what to be expected by Wall Street and the market, which is the 3/4 of percentage points, they do that and also signal and actually say and stamp that they're going to be less aggressive in December with raising raising interest rates, then that's going to go ahead and put a bull flag on the market. And that was already anticipated already. If we go back, we know that's what we've been talking about, what I've been telling you guys. That's what we're going to see a few times in this bearish market, a bullish market within it. So if the Feds, the news, they like to have that narrative be in control, as this is already be expected for the market to run and soar because it's way oversold. Even though it can go down lower, it's just oversold to this point because the market don't just go straight up and it don't just go straight down. So even though it could go down even lower, it's just due for a crazy spike before going back down lower. If that makes sense. Just like when we go into a bullish market, it ain't just going to run. It's going to run and come back down, run and come back down, but to continue to make higher highs and higher lows and trending for a long period of time, which turn the market into a bullish market. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. As we know, AMC ended the day at $6.22, down over 7.6%. Ugly day for AMC, guys, and a lot to do with the market, and a lot of other stocks is down today as well. We seen tech stocks try to shoot off at the end of the day, and they was down on yesterday, and a lot of meme stocks and weed stocks up on yesterday, and they kind of flip-flop on today. I already told you guys that in the other videos what exactly taking place with that. Everything was moving simultaneously in the same direction, everything going up together in green, everything going down together in red. But now a natural market, whenever the market is being less controlled, they'll let the market run off different areas and different areas of the market, meaning tech stocks will be doing that, marijuana stocks will be doing that, healthcare, this, that, and the third. So as we see now, the market is starting to split up, guys, and some go here, some go there. So as we know, tomorrow, if the market go as planned and as I'm expecting it to go, we should see a great market right here in November. And like I say, guys, the best position is a cash position. Being on the sidelines, just waiting for opportunity to, jump in and jump out for either a small loss or a nice little 30, 40, 50% gain. If you're trading options, sometimes you can make 100%, 150%. But don't be greedy. Always take money whenever you make money, guys. Aim small, miss small. Don't put so much money in here at the beginning, especially if you're just now learning and getting the feel of the market, because whatever you make now or or lose is going to be, you know, a drop in the bucket. It ain't even really going to matter. Because even if you make a lot of money, if you ain't learn the right principles and create the right system and treat it like a business, and, you know, aim small, miss small, and create a little system, you ain't gonna be able to keep the money anyway. So learn the right steps and the proper preparation with this small money, so you'll be prepared whenever you start playing with bigger money, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. You know, do whatever you got to do, all the other little YouTube stuff. But I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.